Turnover ratios compare an income statement value to a balance sheet value for the same annual period. Sales to employee is a ratio of annualized revenues to the number of employees. A higher ratio is preferred, as this may imply that the company can operate with lower overhead and less employees, which leads to healthier profits. Advantages to turnover ratios include easy access to financial information and a simple calculation. A disadvantage is that they are often incomparable across industries. Focus on the trend of the ratios over time. This can give you valuable information about the company's operations. When turnover ratios are falling, it is important to view and evaluate the ratio components to find the area of weakness. Is the sales to employee ratio falling because revenues are declining? Or is the company adding employees? Or maybe it is a combination of both factors. Amazon's sales to employee ratio has increased from 2006 to 2011, but the general pattern since then has been a decline near the 10-year low. This is a key ratio to consider for retailers as their employee base is correlated with sales. Growth in the employee base that outpaces sales growth can cause a decline in the ratio.